Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to create a passkey on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Shopify, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Shopify website, I can just go to my settings right here or the profile right here on the top right corner. And after that, I can just click manage account. And under manage account, just go to security, and right here the passkey will be recommended to be turned on. So I can just create a passkey, and what it will going to do is the passkey of your Windows of your or your device of your PC will be needed or required. So your passkey on Shopify will be the same as your device or computer passkey. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can use it. And after that, just click continue. And as you can see, the passkey is added. And if you want to create a new passkey, you can just create a new one if you want by clicking this button. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add passkey on Shopify. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.